Hello guys, welcome back to another new video tutorial in which I will tell you about how you can turn on or off the Wi-Fi and hotspot in your device Vivo X80 Pro and X80. So if in this device you want to learn how you can turn on the Wi-Fi or hotspot or how you can turn off them, you can easily do this by the method that I will show you in this video. Before starting the video, if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon. So now follow the steps in watch complete video and you will learn how to turn on or off the Wi-Fi and hotspot in your device. Let's watch it.